How to change video aspect ratio in InShot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So I'll show you how to change the video aspect ratio in InShot. This is perfect for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or any social media platform. So let's get started. Open up your InShot app and then go to video, and then just choose the video that you want to edit, and then at the bottom menu tap on canvas, and then this is where you can adjust the aspect ratio and frame of your video. You'll see options like 1:1 for Instagram posts, 4:5 for portrait post, and then 9:16 for TikTok. I mean Instagram, Reels, and TikTok, and then 16:9 for YouTube. So just tap the ratio that you want for your video, and then you can even adjust the position by pinching to zoom or dragging your video to fit perfectly within the new frame. Make sure important parts of your video are not cut off. So that's it. Once you're happy, you can just tap on the check mark to apply the changes and then hit export in the top right corner. And just select your preferred resolution and hit save. That's it. Changing the video aspect ratio in InShot is super easy and helps your content fit any platform perfectly. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.